your mother was the late Zohraji, such a brilliant doyen in the world of theatre, music, and of course, delightful roles in movies. So, how was it growing up with a famous mother?
He was a person who always wanted attention. She did one Chalo Ishq Ladai with Govinda, and I love Govinda. He's so powerful, the way he dresses and but he's very
Kitschy good.
He's a very good dancer. No,
Yeah. What role did dance play? How does it impact the other parts of your life? You as a person, you as a mother, you as a friend, you as a human being.
see, I'm born into a dancer's family, but as a child, I actually never had any interest in dance. None.
Was it because there was dance all around, and how did this switch sort of happen?
I thought that every kid lived like this. This dance, music, theatre, everything was all part of their life. I really had a very tough time. I had very little money. I had to count every penny. I could never take an auto, forget a taxi. I had to travel in buses with my little tape recorder, with my change of clothes and my little daughter. DTC buses of
I know.
those times,
I know.
you know, which used to
Rattle
travel
and shake,
teda
yeah.
like this.
Welcome to today's special episode of a podcast. It's an absolute honor to host a legendary artist who has dedicated her life to preserving and promoting Indian classical dance. Our guest, Ms. Kiran Sehgal, is an acclaimed Odissi dancer, a Padma Shri awardee, and a passionate teacher who has inspired generations of artists. Trained under the legendary Guru Mayadhar Roth, she has not only mesmerized audiences with her performances, but has also played a pivotal role in shaping the future of the Odissi dance form through her school, Pallavi, Odissi Nitya Sangeet Vidyalaya. We are thrilled to have her with us to share her journey, insights, and the profound impact of dance on life and learning. Welcome, Kiranji. It is such a pleasure to have you in our midst and at Learners International School.
Thank you.
Our childhood, and we are talking about children and growing up, it really has a profound impact on the choices that we make in life, and also the professions that we choose. So Kiranji, let's begin this podcast and just take the audience through how this journey started for you.
My journey of dance.
Yes.
See, I'm born into a dancer's family, but as a child, I actually never had any interest in dance, none
Oh.
whatsoever.
Oh.
Yeah, I went to school and came home, played. Usually there were rehearsals going on at home. The only time I did a little bit of dancing because my mother was connected with Prithvi Theatres as a dance director. So जब हमारी छुट्टी होती थी, she would take me with her, much against my wishes because I wanted to stay at home and play with my friends, here, there. So that's how it started. And I was made to participate with all the exercises, the dance movements, the dances that were in the plays of Prithvi Theatres. That's how it started.
So sometimes when we see so much of one thing happening, so you kind of rebel and say, this is not what I'm going to do. Or one can get inspired. So when you said you were not interested, was it because there was dance all around? And how did this switch sort of happen?
There was dance all around. You see, बात ये है that I thought that every kid lived like this. They went to school, they came home, this dance, music, theatre, everything was all part of their life. I never realized that this was something different in my life. And the moment we came away from the dancing in the theatre, whatever, I used to feel, I'm free now. It's the other way around, I
Yeah.
feel I'm free. And I used to go around as a kid, and a child doesn't know really what they want to do. It's the parents who impose on you, bade hoke tumhe ye karna hai, wo karna hai, etc., etc. The switch came Mind you, I kept dancing.
Okay.
It wasn't that I broke away from dance, because even on the tours with Prithvi Theatres, I used to travel. जब हमारी छुट्टियां होती थी, I would travel with my mother. My father would stay at home, and he was, of course, busy with art direction and all that. So, touring, I performed dance wise. I performed, even did chutput roles here and there, very insignificant. And after my father expired, we moved to Delhi. We are actually Bombay walas.
Yeah,
And
yeah,
then
yeah. I was reading.
we moved to Delhi, and my mother decided to do a tour of Russia. And when she completed that, she decided to carry on to England. क्योंकि उस time पे, I'm talking of the late 50s, early 60s. It was really difficult to get out easily. आज जैसे है. So she thought, why not go across to England? And she went there. She did a course in dramatics or something. And then China apparently attacked us, India.
62.
And like a mother, she thought कि सबसे पहले my kids are going to get attacked. So उसी commotion में we were packed off by my aunt and uncle, me and my younger brother, and we landed in England. And I was so miserable. एक तो वहाँ पे arrival पे I was miserable, क्योंकि we at that time here in India we used to see Angrezi British movies, American movies, and you know how the Americans are. Everything is like fairyland, or so one grew up thinking कि हाँ, this is the West, और हमारा जो एक आइडियल होता है ब्यूटी का and all that was very different. But when I arrived in England, January 1963, you can imagine the weather.
Oh my God.
Oh
It must be
gosh.
chilling.
Yeah, Geeta, and all around just shades of grays and browns and slush and snow on the street, and us, fresh from India, shivering and all
We
that.
love our son.
And I thought, gosh, what have we come to? And somehow I never adapted fully to that society. Fully, matlab, I didn't adapt very fast. Although went to a convent school and all
Yeah,
that, अंग्रेजी वो लोग जैसे बोलते थे, हमारी तो समझ में ही नहीं आती थी. So as time went by, I started missing. Naturally, you miss home. I was, I left all my friends over here.
But your dancing was still continuing.
Then
Okay.
that was it. You see, there was an Indian association over there
Okay.
called Navkala, run by a Gujarati man,
Okay.
very enthusiastic about everything. My mother was asked कि जोहरा जी हमारा ये दिवाली प्रोग्राम आ रहा है, हमारा ये आप कुछ कोरियोग्राफ कर दें, ऐसे कर दें, वैसे. She would do something, and naturally I was in it. And then I realized that I really enjoyed myself at those moments, not just dancing, but also being in that ambiance, that atmosphere. कि सारे हमारे Indians चारों तरफ हैं, हम बैठ के हिंदी या हिंदुस्तानी में या
You found your
गुजराती में.
community there, especially when you've been sort of plucked.
वही ना. And at that time ज़्यादा Indians नहीं थे.
Yeah.
There were Indians, there were Bangladeshis, there were Sri Lankans, there were Pakistanis,
Pakistanis.
and we were all like under one umbrella.
Yeah.
तो वही है
I
चारों
remember
तरफ.
we were in US 2-3 years back and we went to get gas filled. So the owner was a Pakistani. He came and hugged my husband. He said, "आप तो हमारे मुल्क से हो." And it felt really nice.
Yeah.
So you sometimes wonder, these boundaries are so man-made and they're all just abstractions of ideologies.
Yeah. This reminds me of an incident much later in life. I was invited by the Indian consulate in Karachi
Okay.
to perform for our Republic Day. And I was literally smuggled in. I was told कि बोलना मत कि तुम डांस के लिए आई हो, just say you're visiting people on. However, we were put up in a very nice hotel. We were very comfortable. Musicians ने शुरू किया, किरण जी पान खाने का मन कर रहा है. मैंने कहा भैया मैं कहाँ से पान वान, I don't know. कहते अच्छा देखते हैं बाहर जाके. देन दे हैड पान, दे केम बैक, दे वर वेरी हैप्पी कि नीचे एक बढ़िया सी दुकान थी. वो आदमी ने हमें पान दिया और बड़ा खुश हुआ पूछ के. जब उसने कहा कि आप तो यहाँ के नहीं लगते, तो उन्होंने कहा नहीं हम इंडिया से आए हैं. कहने लगे उसके बाद ही वुड नॉट टेक एनी मनी फ्रॉम अस. वो रोज़ हमें पान खिलाता था इसी खुशी से.
So lovely.
दैट्स इट.
So when you look back now, I mean, you just taken us through, how it was, and then when you went to England and all. What would you give advice to that younger Kiranji? Would you did that experience and that life experiences that you led as a child, which led you to where you are, was it fine? Or I mean, hindsight is always 2020, but would you change anything?
You know, much later in life, I questioned my mother, and she was a little upset. I asked her, I said, you went off to England क्योंकि तुम्हें ये सब करना था. And in the long run, we were uprooted from our culture और ये सब. तो I said, actually, you did what you wanted to do, na? क्या how dare you talk to me like this और ये
I
और
can
वो.
imagine, Jara
तुम
ji.
मुझे हाँ तुम मुझे ब्लेम कर रही हो, तुम ये कर रही हो. फिर मैंने कहा नहीं नहीं ऐसी बात नहीं है. But on hindsight, I also think कि had I not been plucked away from my culture, because of which I had that nostalgia and I wanted to come back, तो हो सकता है that dance was one way, because dance was in me, but I didn't realize it, and it was one way of keeping in touch.
Yeah.
So it was like a blessing in disguise.
So talking of mothers, I think we should let the audience know that, your mother was the late Zohra ji, such a brilliant doyen in the world of theatre, music, and of course, delightful roles in movies. So how was it growing up with a famous mother, Miss Zohra Sehgal, and how was it also, I mean, you have a very illustrious family of artists.
हाँ गीता, but you know she wasn't famous then. जब हम लोग youngsters थे, she wasn't famous. She was, yes, with the Prithvi theatres and all. And yes, in the theatre, she and her younger sister, who was the main lead opposite Prithvi ji, they were respected in the theatre. और उसके बाद हाँ she did choreography for the films and all, but she was never she wasn't a beauty, so she was never offered any kind of roles as a heroine or something like that. वो एक दो उन्होंने किए होंगे, ज़्यादा नहीं, just एक दो. She came into the limelight when she returned
Yes.
from England.
Yeah.
और वो हुआ ये कि when she came, I had already made a name over here. So kabhi kabhi, she would accompany me to maybe a party or some festival or something. And people would introduce her as, ye Kiran Sehgal ki maa hai, this, that and the other. So she was quite hurt. Because when she came here, she had made a name there in England and internationally also. So I think that used to get to her, because she was a person who always wanted attention.
Artist. That's why she went into that field.
पता नहीं, I'm not like that.
Okay.
I'm just the opposite. She was कि बस लोग हों और उनसे बात करें और उन्हीं को मतलब importance दें. We went to a party once and I met some old friends and all, and I came back. I said, कितना मज़ा आया ना, what fun we had, it was so nice. She says, क्या मज़ा आया, मेरा तो किसी ने notice ही नहीं लिया.
But so candid and so honest and transparent. Where do you make artists like that? But then she's always been an artist. So when did you really feel that my mom is an artist and she's a force to reckon with? Because sometimes that wall of my mom, this professional artist, and being a mother, sometimes it's one of the same. She's my mother.
Never. She was always a mother.
So wonderful.
And always I used to tell her, you're so full of yourself. What are you full of yourself for? बात बात पे लड़ाई झगड़ा तो बहुत होता था हम दोनों का, बट यू नो इट
I remember
वाज नाइस.
even for this newer generation, her appearing in various roles to the latter part of her life. I think the younger generation also knows Zora Sehgal because I remember one of the movies which really stuck out was Veer Zara, where she was the grandmother.
हाँ,
And in that small bitty role, I think she brought in so much life and liveliness.
मैंने तो वो देखी ही नहीं.
आपके लिए तो मदर है ना वो.
वो तो no,
How do you feel if you have you seen some movies?
yes.
How would you feel when you see her acting a role in a movie?
Yeah, nice. We
Dil Se
also we were a
also,
little critical. ये वीर ज़ारा which you were talking about, वो मैंने नहीं देखी. I've seen दिल से, I've seen हम दिल दे चुके सनम, and a little bit of दिल लगी also. तो and then she did one वो क्या थी, चलो इश्क लड़ाए
अच्छा.
with Govinda.
Oh.
Yeah, with Govinda. Acha. Then she went for this, and I love Govinda because he's so awful the way he dresses but he's very
Kitschy
good.
good.
He's a very good dancer. No,
Yeah,
no.
he's a very good
He's a
dancer.
good actor. It's just that iski jo ye wali filme hai,
हाँ,
he's
nobody
playing
gave
to
him-
the audiences. If you see his early films, he's good actor.
He's a good
Anyway,
So you like Govinda?
I like him. So I asked her कि ये क्या फिल्म है तुम कर रही हो. She said हाँ ये कुछ ऐसे है, मैं उसकी दादी या ये कुछ बनी हुई हूँ, और and every day she would discuss something कि आज ये शॉट हुआ, कल वो हुआ. We would listen कि हम बचपन से ही सुनते आ रहे हैं ना, ये शॉट वो शॉट यहाँ ये वो करके फिल्म हो गई. Then I saw it and I was so upset. I just went up to her. I said, दोबारा तुमने कभी भी ऐसी घटिया फिल्म करी ना? She said, क्या बेटा? I said, rubbish. What rubbish? Why are you doing this kind of films? She said, हाँ ठीक है, मैं फिर कभी नहीं करूँगी. But the funny thing is कि कभी भी मैं कहीं पे जैसे if I'm being driven somewhere या कुछ भी, and the driver gets to know that I'm Zora Sehgal's daughter, then he says, हाँ हाँ आपने वो फिल्म देखी है जिसमें गोविंदा को थप्पड़ लगाती हैं? I said, कौन सी फिल्म? वो चलो इश्क लड़ाए. And it's like,
Mass appeal.
Yeah, mass appeal. Unbelievable.
She had a lot of energy, even when she was like really old. And where did she get all that energy from? I mean, you could.
But she was like that. She was like that, full of energy. Even in that film, she rides a bike in the end.
Can you imagine? I haven't seen the movie.
No, but
Govinda
I mean,
movie.
she didn't really ride it. She was just made to sit on
Yeah,
it.
what
वो
amazing.
shot ऐसे लिया है that बाल उड़ रहे हैं and she's doing all this business. But yeah, she was full of energy, which helped us, kept us going. And it's something that trickles through.
Yeah, I was
Yeah.
just going to ask you that there obviously has to be some kind of a trickle down effect in terms of living with a very talented artist who, for you, of course, was mother and mom. But there would be a different kind of an ambience at home, no? Different kind of an atmosphere at home. Did that impact?
You see, बात ये है गीता कि कोई और अगर आए और देखे तो perhaps for them it would be a different
For
kind.
you it was home.
हमारे लिए तो वही है, we are living it from morning. There's nothing different. छोटी छोटी चीज़ें जैसे once we had a flat which was a duplex and I was having my khana or something. She had finished and she was climbing the stairs. So I was just looking at her, watching her climb. And she said, what are you looking at? I said, no, I'm just ऐसे ही. She said, you're looking at history. Do you know? You're looking at history. Because naturally she lived so long.
I know, and
Then I thought to myself, I said, हाँ यार, we हम notice ही नहीं लेते इन चीज़ों का. We don't think about it, she's living and she's there and anyway.
yeah, Kiranji, you should see my daughter now. My daughter is in Gurgaon and she's been married for 3 years. She's doing well in her life. But sometimes when I see her, ladai, jhagda, maa beti ka aage badhe, I'm like, she doesn't even know, her mother is pretty successful in her field. She's an educator. But for her, I was mama. Mama.
Mama. This thing happened with me when um, a publisher asked me to write a book on her.
I know you wrote that book, Fatty. Yeah.
I said, देखो एक तो आई एम नॉट अ राइटर, आई एम नॉट एन ऑथर और एनीथिंग, मेरी ये सब कुछ बहुत ही नॉर्मल शॉर्मल है, एंड व्हाट कैन आई राइट ऑन माय मामा, शी इज माय मदर, बस दैट्स इट. ऐसे नहीं नहीं आप लिखिए जैसे भी आपका मन करे. मैंने कहा वैसे क्रोनोलॉजिकली तो मुझे कुछ याद नहीं. नहीं नहीं जैसे आपको याद आए, बाद में वी विल वर्क इट आउट एंड इट विल बी लाइक अ फोटो with lots.
So how was
Excuse me,
that
photographs.
experience?
It took a long time. क्योंकि
Yeah.
जब उनके पास समय होता था, I was busy with my tours. And when I had the time, she was busy shooting. So it was very difficult for us to, because certain things about her life, I wasn't even there. I wasn't born.
Yeah.
So I had to refer to her and ask her. Okay. So, but it took a long time. Anyway, वो निकल
Did you have
आई.
arguments and clashes, or it was all smooth sailing?
No, smooth sailing. Maybe just a little bit of argument regarding dates, etc. Maybe, but I don't, remember that it was awkward or ऐसे कुछ नहीं था. It was
No
smooth
arguments
sailing.
or clashes.
नहीं, arguments तो वैसे होती थी. One day I came back from teaching. I was driving through, and then suddenly I saw someone, and I said, "Looks like my mother." And I stopped the car, looked. There she was with her maidservant walking down. So मैंने सोचा, what is she doing? Anyway, I got home and I waited, and she came back. I said, कहाँ चली गई थी? What were you doing? नहीं मैं अपने नाखून कटवाने गई थी to the beautician parlor, just in the colony. I said, what? Couldn't you wait till I came? I would have taken you there in the car. नहीं उसमें क्या है, ये है वो है. Then all my, I became very hyper, and I said, do you know if you fell, what would have happened? You would have broken a bone, and then you would have been bedridden, and then the whole house would have come to a standstill. I said, नहीं करना कभी. मुझे डांट क्यों रही हो? आई एम योर मदर. आई सेड हाँ वो सब ठीक है, लेकिन डू यू रियलाइज? देन आफ्टर सम टाइम शी सेड,
But was the fire really alive right till the end? Or
not right till the end. It was there for a long time.
you could make out she was a
Till-
firebrand.
Yeah, 100, 101,
102,
even
yeah.
then, yeah. But one day I remember, she used to love doing crosswords.
Okay.
Which
So
I...
that's how you probably, you
Yeah.
keep the mind agile.
Mind का I'll tell you another the thing, trick of hers. तो वो crossword करने के लिए, on the days that I didn't teach, I would go up to her and sit with her for an hour, 2 hours or so. We just chat this, that, and the other. Invariably, she would talk about her tours, with Uday Shankar. अच्छा हम भी यहाँ गए थे, हम भी वहाँ. Because when she would ask me कि तुम यहाँ गई हो अपने, मैंने कहा हाँ, I've been here, been there. How many countries? मैंने कहा I've traveled to 44 countries and represented India in so many. अच्छा हम लोग भी वहाँ गए थे, हम लोग भी, she would then reminisce and
yeah.
talk about all that. So in between I brought the crossword and I said चलो crossword करते हैं. And at that time I was no one for crossword. Now I do it.
Yeah.
Easy wala. So she said she would make an effort. But then one day she said, Beta, it's very difficult for me. I brought tears to my eyes.
Oh.
I just kept
Yeah,
quiet.
it's sometimes a little heartbreaking and sad to see that Thor, their force, start shrinking.
Yeah.
So I also had I have a mother who was dynamo, and now she's 85 and she's shrunk to her former self, and they only have yesterdays.
Yeah.
They don't have tomorrows, and all they want is a little time. But sometimes it's a little sad to see. This bundle of energy, this firebrand, but I guess that's the cycle of life.
Yeah. With some it lasts for a long time,
Yeah.
like with my mother.
Yeah.
And talking about, you said, memory That's why it's very good for the memory,
Yeah.
doing crossword and all. उनकी एक और आदत थी. Every evening she would sit after sunset and recite God knows how many poems,
Wow.
one after the other, one after the other. And if we tried to disturb her at that time, my God, hell would break loose. So my brother was very naughty. He had got a very good trick, that she was reciting, and he had to stop her because he had to say something very urgently. So he went in, and she was going on, hey, whoa, da, da. Suddenly he says, cut.
She would have reacted
She
immediately.
reacted immediately.
Yeah. Familiar lexicon.
Oh,
Huh?
it was so good. So I
He
took
knew
that
which
from
button
him,
to
yeah.
press. Interesting. So, Kiranji, now let's move on to dance, which is your life and something which you have excelled in, and you've been an artist for so long. So, take us to that part, your whole journey as a danceress.
See, like I said to you, that had I not gone to England, despite the fact that I was dancing here, had I not gone to England, I don't think I would have taken dance that seriously. That was the reason. And regarding that, I wanted to dance, I wanted to come back to India to the extent that I separated from my husband, a Swiss gentleman. And I came away with my little daughter uh, to dance, to dance, to dance. I wanted to delve into it, really. ये नहीं कि वहाँ रह के and saying that I'm an Indian dancer. You have to have the atmosphere around you also. You can't do an isolated dancer kind of thing. Although some people do, लेकिन वो बात नहीं बनती. ठीक है. So I came back. And those were my struggling days. I really had a very tough time. I had very little money. I had to count every penny I earned. I could never take an auto, forget a taxi. I had to travel in buses with my little tape recorder, with my change of clothes, and my little daughter. DTC buses
I
of
know.
those times,
I know.
which used to
Rattle and
travel
shake,
teda
yeah.
like this. And if you got into the bus, you'd be pinched here, there, people rubbing against you. And, it was just so horrible. लेकिन बात ये है that when you have एक लक्ष्य होता है ना, when you have an aim in life, and it's just that, so your priorities change. People were so worried. They would tell me, oh, Kiran, why don't you, go and teach dance in such and such a school? I said, no, I don't have the time to do all this. I would rather practice and work on what I have learned in the morning or evening or whatever. अच्छा, but you'll earn some money. I said, नहीं, ठीक है, पैसे तो आ ही जाएंगे कहीं ना कहीं से. And it was tough. Now that I look back, it was tough.
That time you were in it, you don't realize.
Yeah, I was in it.
When you look
Things
back.
like I had a छोटा सा heater. वो वो उसको क्या बोलते हैं, filament?
हाँ हाँ हाँ
वो जो ऐसे करके.
छोटी सी it used to be in that china plate ना, और उसपे थोड़ा सा वो लगा हुआ था
हाँ,
iron.
इसको on stand और
हाँ।
इसको plug in कर दो. और ऑफिसेज में बहुत सारे लोग अपना लंच वगैरह उस पे
उसी पे
गरम
गरम
करते थे.
करते
रोटियां वोटियां भी उस पे सेक लेते थे. So I had something like that. I had a pressure cooker which my mother had presented me and an old fridge. और उसी पे मैं खाना बनाती थी. कैसा खाना? दाल, चावल, सारी सब्जियां उसमें mixed. And Sujata and I used to eat that.
Resilience was huge in this generation of ours, and the older people as well. I remember first time I had to cook, so gas का connection नहीं मिला था, so I was told कि ये लो वो गंदा सा स्टोव नहीं होता था जिसमें आप प्रेशर लगा के,
हाँ,
और
केरोसिन वाला.
मेरे शादी वाले नए नए बर्तन मिट्टी लगा दो उन पे एंड लगाई मिट्टी और बनाया खाना 1 साल और किचन भी दूर, यू नो. बट
हाँ.
व्हेन यू आर इन इट, इट्स अ वे ऑफ लाइफ. You don't know any better. You just
Yeah.
think, how did I do that? You know.
हाँ, now when you reflect, you think कि
Uh,
मैंने कैसे किया.
but so you've been dancing, and I mean, it's been a decades-long journey. So do you think that even after decades, there's still so much to learn in dance? I mean,
Oh yes,
I,
any day. Any day. There is so much. हम तो कुछ भी नहीं जानते.
I think that's a sign of
I
being a knowledgeable person that you know nothing.
नहीं really क्योंकि I get very embarrassed when people say गुरु या लिख देते हैं गुरु किरण सहगल क्या हमें क्या पता गुरु गुरु कर रहे हैं. We don't know anything. Just because we know a little bit of what we are teaching, um, there's so much. थोड़ा सा स्क्रैच करो एंड beneath the surface इतना निकलता है कि you think यार एक जन्म तो काफी नहीं है.
That is when I think when you find your ikigai, you find your passion, you find a reason to live. But mostly we do see this younger generation and a lot of people, they get into a kind of a job in life, parental pressure, societal pressures. I have to make money, I have to be successful or whatever. And then you end up feeling saturated or frustrated. So finding that spark, I mean, how do you keep, I mean, you keep it alive. You've never felt that sense of saturation or, "Yeah, I'm tired, I can't do this."
नहीं, never.
So how do you keep that fire burning?
I don't know. वो कुछ अपने ही सेल्फ चार्जिंग बैटरी होगी अंदर.
So we need to put self-charging batteries in everybody.
I really don't know. लेकिन ये एक passion for anyone in whatever job. Huh?
Yeah.
In anyone, any job, that passion, that genuine interest. ये नहीं कि यार आई एम डूइंग दिस जॉब इतने पैसे जमा करने हैं शादी करनी है ये करना है वो खरीदना है ऐसे करना है
I was recently, last week, in fact, I was at Jaipur Lit Fest.
हाँ.
So the co-author of Ikigai had come, and it's such a bestseller book in India, and people are really looking. But I still don't find that happiness quotient high, in terms of really finding out what your passion is. So, I mean, how do you find your passion? You found yours. Good.
Yeah.
I found mine.
Yeah.
I love the field that I'm in. But, I mean, what would you tell young people? How do you find that passion?
Maybe they are not given a chance.
Yeah, that could be it.
है ना कभी कभी I think that they are pressurized too much कि ये करना है तुम्हें वो करना है स्टडीज का है ये है I see this with my disciples कि lovely dancers, not all of them, some, and they are interested in dance. ये भी कि they are interested and they are good dancers, लेकिन वो जैसे ही एग्जाम्स आए वो डांस जाना ही बंद for 3 months की छुट्टी. When I was teaching dance to a parent,
Okay.
a woman, with a full grown up girl, and she was telling me, she said, Didi, I don't understand this, parents का ये बंद करना. I have a daughter, मैंने तो कभी भी उसके ना तो boards ना pre-boards कभी भी नहीं. She also did dance, contemporary dance. I never stopped her. And she did very well. There was no question of this sort of जैसे कहते हैं ना कि भूत सवार हो जाता है parents के ऊपर.
And also considering art forms as some kind of a co-curricular activity or something which is additional. So let's focus on academics and let's push this aside. So that's exactly what I was going to ask you. I mean, there is a certain importance to the arts. So what have you learned through this medium, perhaps, about life, about yourself? I mean, can you share that with the listeners?
You see, one never thinks in that way. Discipline is one thing that I've learned.
Okay.
But then 50% of that is mother.
Okay.
Discipline that side. And also from my own work. Where it comes to my work, I am a totally different person, वो डिसिप्लिन होना चाहिए क्लैरिटी होनी चाहिए माइंडसेट पूरा concentration in what you're doing. Don't think of this, that and the other. When you come for dance, you are thinking only of your dance and nothing else. Pay attention. Don't stand there and giggle with your friends and all. कि जब musicians आलाप कर रहे हैं before, you know. Pay attention, concentrate, get yourself into that. लेकिन वो बड़ी मुश्किल से, you know.
But I'm sure you must have had some students who would have been your ideal. I mean, something that you learned from them. You know, like you said, you never really grow and learn and say, okay, I've reached my Ekman, the epitome of perfection. So, can you recall some students of yours from who gave you great learnings, really?
Learning in the sense, not directly इस तरह से, but by teaching.
Okay.
By teaching, I've learnt a lot
Yeah.
to correct myself. क्योंकि visually, when I see a dancer in front of me, then I'm seeing a form. ठीक है? And I'm correcting that form कि नहीं ये थोड़ा ऊपर ये थोड़ा नीचे, sit more, stand more, त्रिभंग ऐसे करो, head इधर उधर. And then I've often thought कि क्या मैं ये खुद करती हूँ? You know, these kind of things, because you're so critical of what that person is doing. And sometimes you take your arms up and you say नहीं ऐसे करो. Say दीदी नहीं ये आर्म आपका ऊपर है ये नीचे है. So oops, ये क्या हो गया?
Yeah, the student can also be the teacher.
Yeah, so that's how I've learnt a lot from them. Questions sometimes that they ask कि इसका meaning क्या है? And you've taken it for granted that समझ गए. And then you try to break that word up. कभी संस्कृत के शब्द होते हैं ना. Now we don't talk in Sanskrit, so हम कोई इतने ज्ञानी तो है नहीं. But you try to delve further and further into it, and then you go into the meaning, you know, of the word, and then you realize that it is coming together of two words or three words, and this means this and this means that. इस तरह से I've learnt a lot that way.
But can you check, has dance been a journey of really discovering who you are, and how did that shape a personality? How does these art forms really shape personality, and what are some of the lessons we can learn on the journey? One is, of course, the expression of ideas, but let's go a little more inward and say, let's look at dance and say, how does it help you in your journey in life as a human being?
It helps me also fight battles in life because it is of utmost importance to me. My work, my dance, which is my job satisfaction in a way, and problems just disappear. Anything, is nothing compared to dance. Okay, I still have dance, अच्छा ठीक है हो जाएगा.
Because I have
That's
dance.
because I have dance.
That's interesting. The lessons that you may have that you've learned in your journey as a dancer, did it help you solve other areas of your life, or did it impact the other areas of your life? Not just in problem solving, in the way of living. What role did dance play? I mean, how does it impact the other parts of your life? You as a person, you as a mother, you as a friend, you as a human being. How does dance really, how did it shape that? I mean, do you think it held that importance and really made you maybe even, solve some issues, or maybe help you figure out stuff in life? Besides the battles, it's always been joyous.
It's just dance. I've never reflected in that manner about it.
So now, if you reflect back and think about it, has it shaped you the person that you are?
I
Because
don't
imagine
know.
if you,
I don't know. It's for somebody else to say.
you can't imagine life without it.
No, that is there. Just can't. No dance, no life.
Yeah. So take us to some of your, anecdotes or experience you had while you were doing your performances, or doing, something interesting and fun, and the whole part of meeting people from different areas of life. Just take our listeners through some interesting anecdote you've had where,
Oh, quite a few.
yeah.
Interesting ones. There was one in Kuwait. Now, my surname is Sehgal. We are Radha Swamis from my father's side. And they come from Madhya Pradesh, although Sehgal.
Okay.
The end result is that nobody speaks Punjabi
Yeah.
from my father's side. और लोग हैं, मेरे cousins हैं, मेरी चाची हैं, they all hate Punjabis from Hoshiarpur and all that. But immediate जैसे family है, my father, my चाचा, my ताऊ, कोई नहीं, my चाचीज, कोई भी नहीं. तो हुआ ये कि हम कुवैत में परफॉर्म कर रहे थे एंड यूजुअली हम लोगों के जब ये बाहर के टूर्स होते हैं आउटसाइड द कंट्री यू ऑलवेज हैव अ लंच और अ डिनर एट द एम्बेसडर्स रेजिडेंस.
Okay.
तो प्रोग्राम के बाद वी ऑल वर हैविंग डिनर एट द एम्बेसडर्स रेजिडेंस एंड अ वुमन केम अप टू मी एंड as she said, what did she say? Tusi Segalo or something like. So I said, Ji. And she went on in Punjabi. I tell you, Geeta, I couldn't follow a word. Just something like Tusi and Tuadi or something.
Especially when they speak in speed, no?
And then she saw my face, you know. I must have been looking like a Dumbo, you know, just staring at her. And then she said, की गल है समझ नहीं आई. मैंने कहा नहीं तुसी पंजाबी is something नहीं बोलते हो. So I said नहीं. She just did a U-turn and walked off. You know, Mary, what have I done? It
How
was
did she
so
connect?
funny.
Maybe she wanted to meet a fellow Punjabi and
Yeah, maybe she
chit-chat
wanted
about
to
home
converse in
that
Punjabi.
language.
Yeah.
Well, she must be missing that language.
Exactly. And she was so upset with me, you know. And then another time, this was in Cuba. हम लोग पहुंच गए, हमारा सामान नहीं आया. Got into different
lost in-
flights. Program was scheduled, announced. The auditorium was jam-packed. बार बार कॉल आ रही है from the embassy, from the auditorium कि आप कब आ रहे हैं. Vanity case हमेशा मेरे हाथ में होता था. So the makeup का सामान and jewelry etc. was always there. तो हमने कहा अच्छा ठीक है. उन्होंने कहा किरण जी आ रहा है सामान आ रहा है. We've gotten in touch with the airlines etc. And the flutist always had his flute with him.
Okay.
The percussionist, of course, in the luggage, sitarist in the luggage, harmonium in the luggage, all that. अब I quickly got ready, makeup वेकअप करके बाल वाल बना लिए, ज्वेलरी पहन लिए, वेट लगेज आए तो कॉस्ट्यूम पहने. अब वहाँ से फ़ोन कॉल्स आ रहे हैं फ्रॉम द ऑडिटोरियम.
Yeah.
1 घंटा हो गया.
The audience.
कैन यू इमेजिन? 1 घंटा हो गया, 2 घंटे हो गए. उसके बाद मैं कहा क्या करें, कैंसिल कर दें? नहीं आ रहा है किरण जी, आ रहा है, अभी आ रहा है. देन आई सेड टू मूर्ति द फ्लूटिस्ट, आई सेड देखो तुम जाओ और बजा दो कुछ, कीप यू नो द ऑडियंस
Engaged, yeah.
engaged. अयो किरण जी, हाउ कैन आई जस्ट गो एंड यू नो लाइक दिस इज नो कुछ तो करो. तो फिर थोड़ी देर में आफ्टर मच वेटिंग सामान आया.
Wow, we found it.
सामान आ गया, जल्दी इस कपड़े वपड़े सब पहन पून के एंड वी स्टार्टेड ऑफ. बिलीव मी गीता, वो लाइट का आदमी लाइट्स उतार रहा था ऑन द स्टेज. एंड द मोमेंट ही गॉट दिस, वापस चढ़ा, लाइट्स लगाए एंड लुक एट द थिएटर एटिकेट एक तरह से.
Yeah.
पिन ड्रॉप साइलेंस.
Amazing.
बैठे हुए लोग. And we went ahead and we had thundering, I would say encouraging applause from the audience. We performed and it was
So interesting to hear
rewarding.
you talk about a performance in Cuba.
In Cuba.
Okay, so tell me, you've performed and you've visited so many countries and you've performed world over. Where did you get the best audience, and you know, why was it the best experience for you?
ये तो मैंने बता ही दिया ना,
हाँ.
Cuba. Another one was in Germany, in Bonn. I had about 9 curtain calls.
Wow.
And they insisted, they wanted to see more. अब हमारे डांस में ऐसे है ना कि you start very slowly with the invocation and you end with मोक्ष, and then you know. पर ये जो curtain call का मामला है ना,
Yeah.
तो one had to sort of you know, again जैसे कहते हैं ना चाबी देना अपने आप को, to rise to that.
But it felt good.
It felt good. फिर हम किया वो
Oh.
मोक्ष, छोटा सा एक पीस था, उसको किया. And the third, I'm talking of audiences abroad,
Yeah.
was at Moscow.
Oh.
When I had gone for the Festival of India in USSR. So we gave around 30 performances in Russia, and the last one was in Moscow. You know, you can sense the audience.
Uh.
बढ़िया थी. Unbelievably, they were
When you say
all
sense, how
there.
do you feel?
You can just sense it. It's an abstract.
You can't put
feeling.
words. It's just a vibe. And what about some of your bad experiences?
Bad experience, I'll tell you. One was at the Gwalior.
now they'll be all Indian cities.
Yeah. Gwalior Mela, Gwalior Trade Fair.
I've
हम
been there.
पहुंचे and we started performing. Not a soul in the audience. Just
So me like a trip ही अलग है.
listen to वो हुआ ये कि जिस दिन वो मिनिस्टर साहब आ रहे थे उनको उसी दिन आना था, वो आए नहीं, पर we went ahead and performed. And when I got back, मुझे मैसेज मिला कि किरण जी कैन यू डू द परफॉर्मेंस अगेन टुमारो प्लीज, क्योंकि मिनिस्टर साहब आए नहीं. मैंने कहा नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं, मैं दिल्ली पहुंचना है, आई हैव अनदर शो समवेयर एल्स. ये दिस वाज वन ऑफ द वर्स्ट एक्सपीरियंसेस. एक और था ऐसे in a place called Berbice. It is on the outskirts of Guyana or somewhere there.
Oh, okay.
अरे धुत बैठे हुए सब बैठ के बियर शेयर चढ़ा रहे हैं. सर व्हाट इज दिस,
Yeah.
you know? So I told immediately, I said start with the Shavtar. धड़ाम 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 धड़ाम. You know,
Wake them up.
everything किया ये करके finished in 15-20 minutes. I was livid. मैंने कहा ये एम्बेसी के लोग करते क्या है यहाँ, इनको पता नहीं है ऐसी जगह पे इस तरह की चीज़ यू नो आप ऑर्गेनाइज कर रहे हैं.
So those are the highs and the lows.
Hmm.
Do you see a change, Kiranji, in how young dancers were? I mean, of course, there's a generational change. But do you think that, I hope the art form is not dying, or you think there are lots of takers? What's the young generation of dancers like today?
The art form is not dying. Unfortunately, it is bowing down to marketing. You know?
Social media.
बस अब वो ये हो गया है कि आप छोटी सी एक परफॉर्मेंस करें और तड़ाम धड़ाम धड़ाम सोशल मीडिया, इंस्टाग्राम, ये वो हर जगह, यू नो. सो आई मीन दैट नेम इज गेटिंग इम्प्रेशनड इनटू योर माइंड कि अच्छा सो एंड सो, अच्छा हाँ उसका तो हमने बहुत पढ़ा है, बहुत देखा है.
Is it impacting the young dancers of today?
Yeah, because that's what they're doing. They're more interested in that rather than in the art form. They're more, you see the way we are on stage. अब पहले ये होता था, in fact we were just discussing this. अभी I performed ना 2 days ago.
Yeah,
So my musicians and I, they said वो बात ही नहीं है. आजकल तो lights, ये चक चोक इस पे, और लोग उसी को देखते रहते हैं. डांस तो गया. Who's looking at it?
Do you dread the future, or do you have some misgivings?
No, I don't dread the future, but I just feel that you know, somebody should guide the youngsters. It's like a catch-22 कि भाई कोई आएगा नहीं देखने if we don't do all this. अरे काम तगड़ा होना चाहिए और बढ़िया लाइटिंग होनी चाहिए. Not I mean you're calling them for all this flashing, this business. दिखता ही नहीं है कुछ कि आर्टिस्ट क्या कर रहा है.
So, if you were to give some advice to the young learners of today, what advice would you give to the young people of today?
Take it easy. Don't be in such a hurry. You know, हर चीज बस just like a crash course. It's becoming like a crash course.
Is it because maybe the attention span is reducing, and so they sort of quickly...
वो तो I mean some people might give me galis for this, but I think our kids are becoming scatterbrained, you know.
Yeah.
Parents are making them do too much. ये भी कर लो, उसके बाद वो भी कर लो. और you know this kind of also goes back कि आप बच्चे को occupied रख रहे हैं because you are unable to spend time with the kid also at home. तो वो पहले गया अपना ख़त्म करके वो अपना डांस उसने सीखा फॉर अबाउट हाफ एन आवर 40 मिनट्स. उसके बाद वो म्यूज़िक की क्लास में गया. उसके बाद वो उसने कंप्यूटर के कुछ कर लिया.
But do you wonder that so somebody's coming to you for a half an hour dance class, and like you said, parents want children to do everything. What is the purpose of learning the dance form then?
द एट प्रेजेंट तो पर्पस बहुत है. एक तो ये है टू कीप देम अवे फ्रॉम टेलीविजन.
Okay.
दूसरा ये है कि सीवी में कुछ डाल देंगे.
Okay.
You know, I've had crazy mothers when their kid who is barely 6 years old or 7 years old, and I've told one of my senior dancers कि please start her with mudras और उंगलियों के नाम things. छोटे छोटे बच्चे. तो वो माँ is actually standing there making a video of that. I said, what is she doing? No, no, Didi, you know this will go down in her CV that she learned Odissi.
And at that
I
young
said,
age,
look at that.
people are planning. I have parents who have a 3-year-old or a 2-year-old. Generally, the parent community is amazing. They are more aware. But yeah, I do have somebody say, share with me the syllabus of 11th and 12th. अभी बताओ मैम, मैंने कहा जब तक आपका बच्चा आएगा, God knows where education will be, and I don't know what the syllabi and the content will be. But yeah, these are aspirational concerned parents.
आते हैं. एक गर्ल डिसाइपल शी लर्न फॉर अ ईयर, जस्ट अ ईयर. और ईयर में भी क्या, नॉट एवरी डे 24/7. शी जस्ट कम्स फॉर 3 classes इन अ वीक और 2 classes इन अ वीक. तो वो ईयर क्या हुआ, वो तो 6 months ही हुआ ना एक तरह से. एंड आफ्टर अ ईयर द मदर सेज, दीदी अब तो इसका हम प्रोग्राम कर सकते हैं ना. अब तो मैंने कहा ये अभी सीधी भी नहीं खड़ी हो सकती है, आप क्या कह रही हैं.
What about some good experiences with the young dancers? Somebody suddenly saw some beautiful talent, and here's this passionate person. Let's look at the silver lining here.
और वो जितना ब्यूटीफुल टैलेंट होता है ना, उतना ही दे कीप अवे फ्रॉम परफॉर्मिंग. से नहीं करो, यू आर सो
Yeah.
गुड.
Yeah.
नो दीदी, आई फील वेरी क्या क्या
But even in the teaching of dance, Kiranji, when you're teaching them, and these are young learners, do you guide them or teach them, or do they discover on their own, some kind of connections with real life? Some kind of learnings besides just learning the physical dance form.
Many times I can tell from the way they dance, the way they are in life also. And I would say 75% ठीक ही निकलता है.
Oh, wonderful.
I
That's you
always
as a
say,
teacher too.
yeah. I say, are you very lazy? Because your movements are never complete. क्या बात है. No, I'm okay, I'm this, I'm that. क्लास में चले जा रहे हैं, कभी कुछ लटक रहा है इधर से, कभी कुछ मूवमेंट्स इधर उधर की हो रही हैं. बट कभी कभी दे कम फॉर गाइडेंस इन देयर पर्सनल लाइफ. सो आई नेवर ट्राई टू, क्या कहते हैं उसको, व्हाट इज द वर्ड, pontificate, is it?
That's right.
Tell them कि ऐसे करो वैसे करो, until and unless they don't ask me.
Yeah.
क्योंकि मेरा connection is only with dance, with them ना.
Yeah.
तो पर्सनल लाइफ की बात होती है, then we sit 1-to-1 and I don't delve into anything or try to draw out anything. जितना बोलना है बोलो, जितना सुनना है सुन लो, पर उसको भी बहुत ही एक राउंड अबाउट वे से,
Yeah.
So but it's nice that they have that confidence in me. And it's good to share their thoughts also.
Yeah.
And I'm not I'm strict when I'm teaching, but otherwise I laugh and joke and everything. I'm very easy when it's.
So, how active are you as of today, and what are you doing?
What am I doing? I'm teaching, and as I just said that a couple of days ago,
You perform.
second, I performed after much thinking, because many people have been after me, Kiran, you must do Abhinay. Both my knees are operated, na?
Oh.
So I wouldn't be, and in any case at this age, jumping around, who wants to see an old woman like that? So अभिनय करिए. मैंने कहा यार कौन आएगा देखने अभिनय, just expressional
Yeah.
dance.
I saw the
फिर
picture.
so this chance came, and I'm very happy doing it and getting feedback saying that we want to see more. If you want to see more, then organize it. Okay, a dancer has to live, her musicians have to live. So it means that you have to get sponsorship or, you know, and this kind of dance, Abhinaya, I'm talking of, is best seen close.
Yeah, obviously, you got to see the face.
And all the nuances, and you can't, in an auditorium, maza nahi aata.
So, Kiranji, if there was, we are all about lifelong learning, and we genuinely believe here that you never stop learning, and that's where we began. And you said, "I'm still learning." So, if there was one piece of advice you could give for our lifelong learners out there, what would that advice be?
Seriously, I would say that be sincere and go fully into whatever you're doing. And on the other side, on a very funny line, I would say, lage raho munna bhai.
Bilkul. Sometimes what you say in colloquial native language has more weight, has more than some very formal
Geeta
language.
had a parent talking to me like that. Uski beti, she was dancing, and then I realized that she's pretty useless. मतलब उसे
I like the way you say it so positively with a smile. She was useless.
poor thing, वो नहीं हो रहा है
Yeah,
भाई, अब नहीं हो रहा
yeah,
है
you're doing it.
जबरदस्ती. So I talked to her mother very gently and trying to be very diplomatic कि देखिए आप हो सकता है ये पेंटिंग में ज़्यादा टैलेंटेड है
अच्छा.
या इसमें से नहीं 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 दीदी लगे रहो आप लगे रहो. Oh my
But good to
God.
have such optimistic, positive parents.
Parents.
But generally, in terms of your student body that you have, or students who are learning, how many of them take the dance form very professionally?
Very few.
Very few.
Very few. You see, main question क्या होता है? Main question क्या होता है कि दीदी what can we earn from it?
But that's a real
पैसा.
need also, Kiranji.
हाँ, but then I say, look at me. मेरा तो कोई बिजनेस नहीं है, ना कोई मुझे कोई हेरिटेज और समथिंग लाइक दैट, ऐसे तो कुछ भी नहीं है. आई एम टीचिंग, आई वॉज परफॉर्मिंग, एंड आई लिव बाय इट बिकॉज आई पुट माई हार्ट एंड सोल इन टू इट. बट क्या करें, कोई बैंक में काम कर रही है, कोई किसी और चीज़ में काम कर रही है, एंड येट शी इज़ इक्वली पैशनेट. आई मीन दैट्स वेयर मैं दाद देती हूँ, दैट शी इज़ इक्वली पैशनेट अबाउट हर डांस, hardly ever misses, does everything, is a beautiful dancer. Yeah.
So I think that on that positive note, there is a lot of hope for our younger generation who really want to pursue dance as an art form. You've been very inspirational and extremely educative and entertaining, Kiranji. It's almost like, I've gone through your life and beautiful journey, and also talking so fondly about Zohraji, and I think it was an amazing experience. Thank you so much for taking time out and sharing this journey.
Oh, it's been great. Thank you. Thanks a lot.